हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू? आई एम फाइन। कैसा कटा आपका दशहरा, दुर्गा पूजा? और सबको दुर्गा पूजा का हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। ठीक है, तो इस लेक्चर में हम लोग मैं थोड़ा आउटसाइड होम हूँ, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई वाज नॉट एबल टू प्रिपेयर द वीडियोस, एंड दैट्स व्हाई जस्ट आई एम सिटिंग somewhere and I am preparing this video because in 2 days I didn't upload any kind of videos. Okay, so that's why I am very much sorry because this festival was going on. So from tomorrow onwards हम लोग वीडियो फिर से अपलोड करेंगे। ठीक है, अच्छा शुरू करेंगे। अच्छा, फिर आज देखते देखते यूट्यूब में एक चैनल मुझे मिला, उसमें ऐसा लिखा हुआ था कि आप सिर्फ एनसीईआरटी पढ़िए, यू विल गेट 95% मार्क्स इन मैथमेटिक्स। सो एक्चुअली दिस 95% मार्क्स इन मैथमेटिक्स इफ यू आर स्टडिंग दिस एनसीईआरटी ओनली। ओके, so at first we need to know about, because some students are getting attracted by this speech or by this. Actually, if any teacher is talking about these things, then students obviously they will be actually attracted. Okay, so the main important thing is that why I am studying in science. मैं जो बोलना चाह रहा हूँ, मैं क्यों साइंस में पढ़ रहा हूँ, और जहां तक मुझे पता है this NCERT books is a very very important book. Yes, I can't deny it. Okay, it's very very important book, but this book is important for the concept building. If you want to know the systematic content of any particular subject, then this NCERT book is very good. So after getting this content, after getting the whole syllabus, systematic syllabus, if you want to grow your knowledge, if you want to gather the knowledge, perceive different types of things, different types of reference studies, then this NCERT books is not so much sufficient for that. Because as a science student, as I know that all of you have some intention to face the entrance exams, JEE exam, main and advanced exams, and WT exams. So if you are studying the NCERT subject, NCERT books only, then maybe you will get 80 to 85% marks in board. But in some channel that I am seeing that 95% marks you will get if you study the NCERT only. So I think if it is such possible that actually this, if you are studying NCERT book only, you will get the 95% mark, then I think maximum students supposed to get 95% marks in mathematics, because maximum number of students, they used to follow this NCERT books as well. Almost 60 to 70% students, they are not ready to catch the knowledge from the reference books. They only study this NCERT books only. So सबको ही 95% मिल जाता है। ऐसा होता है क्या? देखा है आपने कभी भी? क्लास में तो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं, कितने स्टूडेंट्स रेफरेंस बुक फॉलो करते हैं? मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स दे फॉलो दिस एनसीईआरटी बुक्स ओनली. So now you tell me, are they getting this 95% marks in the board exams? Every students in every subjects. I'm not telling about this mathematics subject only. Okay, but last but not the least, I will be dedicated for my subject only, and whatever I will say, that only for my subject. Okay, mathematics subject. So this 95% mark, it is totally useless speech, useless talkings. Don't believe all these things. Just remember one thing: why I am studying in science, why I am science student, why I am not actually this arts and commerce students. So मैं जब साइंस में भर्ती हुआ हूं, तो मुझे यहाँ पर देखिए इजीली कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, मुझे मेहनत करना पड़ेगा. We have to put a lot of hard works for getting the overall success. So if you are getting 80 to 85% marks in board exams, that will not be sufficient for your better future. If you want to actually perceive that kind of success in your life, then you have to gather the knowledge actually about any particular subject. If you have the sufficient knowledge on that particular field, on that particular subject, then I think you will be succeeded. Okay, so this ये जो बातें हैं ना, ये एनसीईआरटी पढ़ने से 95% मिल जाता है, बोर्ड में सिर्फ एनसीईआरटी देखने से ही होता है, मैं मना नहीं कर रहा हूँ, एनसीईआरटी करने से आपको 80 to 85 पे, बट 95% डोंट थिंक अबाउट इट, डोंट थिंक अबाउट इट। 95% इतना इजी नहीं है सब कुछ पढ़ाई। कंटेंट और सिस्टमेटिक स्टडीज के लिए, आपका बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर के लिए, दिस एनसीईआरटी बुक्स आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। यस, नाउ just you can see NCERT book size is like that, but this additional book size is like that. So size matters, no? If this book size is looking like that, then there must have some extra knowledge, and that's why this size is bigger than NCERT. Okay, so just remember one thing, मैं साइंस में पढ़ रहा हूँ, that means I have to be ready for facing different types of things and confronting different types of problems, different type of exams, entrance exams, and different types of hurdles will be there in your life as a science student. Because actually this as whenever that you got admitted in the science department, in the science stream, then knowingly or unknowingly that you had a promise with your parents, with your society, with yourself, that you are a good student, and after some time you will be the backbone of the society. That means many actually students and many society members, they will follow you. Okay, so if you don't have the knowledge, if you don't have that kind of actually this top-notch quality knowledge, then you will not be survived. You will be vanished after some time. So yes, NCERT जरूर पढ़ना है. Obviously, NCERT is very very important, but including NCERT, you have to follow the different reference books for your better future, for gathering the knowledge actually. Yes, बोर्ड में तो यहाँ पर तो हम लोग कर ही रहे हैं, बोर्ड में तो NCERT में पूरा स्कोप करके दे रहा हूँ, और जो भी मैं आउटसाइड कर रहा हूँ सब देखना कि NCERT के अंदर ही है, ज़्यादातर NCERT मिसलेनियस NCERT से है, और जो एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन हम लोग कर रहे हैं वो आप लोगों का फायदा होगा आपका, फॉर योर कॉन्सेप्ट बिल्डिंग, just for your concept building. If your concept will be built once, then I think you can confront any kind of things regarding my subject in your nearest future. So that's why I want to prepare you for actually this for the different exams, not for the board exams only. Because as a teacher, I have to think about your future, and your future is not dependent only this board exam. Your future is much more than this. Okay, so just आप लोग पढ़ते रहिए, NCERT पढ़िए, NCERT के साथ साथ आप लोग रेफरेंस बुक्स भी पढ़िए, ठीक है? क्योंकि this is the 11th 12th and science students you are. Okay, so actually science स्टूडेंट्स, इस वर्ड को इतना छोटा मत सोचिए, इतना छोटा मत समझिए उसको, है? कोई भी टीचर बोला आप एनसीईआरटी पढ़िए 95% मिल जाएगा, फिर आफ्टर गेटिंग दिस 95% मार्क्स इन मैथमेटिक्स, दैट मैं मान लेता हूँ आपको 95% मिला, ठीक है, बट आफ्टर दैट whenever you will stand in front of this thousands of audiences, just like a teacher, that I am a teacher and I used to give my lectures in front of thousands of students. Okay, then different types of students, different actually this skilled students used to be sitting in front of you. Then if they will ask some question to you, then how can you give the answers? How can you give them the reply? Because you don't know anything, you don't have the sufficient knowledge regarding the subject, regarding a particular topic. So remember one thing, आपको बोर्ड में भी अच्छा रिजल्ट करना है, फिर उसके बाद आपको लाइफ में भी सेटल होना है. यू हैव टू सेटल डाउन, नो? Okay, if you are a science student, then I think after some time you will not actually take this English and this pol science, history, these subjects as major. If you are a science student, then you will go for this NWT, that means doctors, engineers, then professors, PhD करो, फिर यूनिवर्सिटी का लेक्चरर हो, फिर उसके बाद कॉलेज का लेक्चरर हो सकते हो, NWT दो, MD करो, करने के बाद स्पेशलिस्ट बन जाओ। दैट मीन्स देखो उसका एम कहाँ तक है। आप बीटेक करो, एमटेक करो, फिर उसके बाद PhD करो। बहुत मतलब यहाँ पर जो है अब देखेंगे आप, जहाँ मतलब इफ यू go out to your college, if you will see, if you will get the admission in some prestigious college, then you will see that many more thousands of students will be there. Those will be the better quality students than you. You will see that if you don't have the knowledge, then you will see, अरे ये कहाँ पर आके मैं यहाँ पर आ गया हूँ, यहाँ पर तो सब स्टूडेंट्स मुझसे ज़्यादा टैलेंटेड है। Okay, so don't let actually make you feel that you are a bad student, and if and you don't have that kind of knowledge or that kind of things whatever the other students have. Okay, so आज के लिए सिर्फ हम लोग यहाँ पर एक मोरल डिस्कशंस कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि पूजा चल रहा है, आज तो दशमी है, आप लोग सब जानते हैं। From the next lecture, actually, I will upload the different videos and I will boost the lectures and I will boost the frequency of my uploadings, because many less times are left now. Okay, 2 or 3 months are left. Now this video frequencies quantities will be raised. So मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में, और मैंने जो बात आप लोगों को बोला है हमेशा आप लोग याद रखिएगा, ठीक। और हम लोग JEE मेन एडवांस का क्लासेस भी अभी धीरे धीरे शुरू करेंगे, ठीक है। मैंने ये रेजोनेंस और एलेन का मटेरियल्स मंगाया है, ठीक है। फिर उसके बाद हम लोग शुरू करेंगे, धमाकेदार होगा सब क्लासेस। यू विल गेट द फुल actually guidance from my side. Now it's depend on you whether you will get the good marks and whether you will listen my words or not. Okay, so thank you very much for actually being espoused with my channel, and some new subscribers are being added right now, मैंने देखा है, ठीक है। तो आप लोग मेरे चैनल के साथ बने रहिए, देखिएगा after some time you will get that kind of confidence in my subject. Thank you very much. Bye. And